So guys, back again, and just to say I am going to my first Airsoft game tomorrow, which means I will be having a gameplay video posted early next week, maybe middle of next week. But just wanted to update you guys. Should be pretty fun. It will be at OVI, which is Ohio Valley Indoor Airsoft Club. So definitely check that place out. They seem to be doing great things. I see a lot of YouTubers going there that play Airsoft, and hopefully it's the next big thing. But if I like this, I have 4 other fields that I have been invited to come play at to check out. So I just wanted to keep that updated and let you guys know. So we will see how tomorrow goes, and I will have some gameplay video for you shortly.